Buongiorno
E buonasera.
Today, together with my brother, I'm gonna teach you how to make ricotta ravioli. So Anto right here is my older brother. He's a certified Alma chef, which basically means that he can cook way better than I can. Now, he's gonna go get changed. I'm gonna start showing you how to make the fresh pasta for ravioli, which I'm pretty skilled with. So to make fresh pasta, we're just gonna need eggs and flour.
Today I'm starting with the volcano shape because it's more authentic and scenographic, but you can do this step in a bowl or even have your kitchen mixer handle it. What is important is that you need it with your hand. The ratio is never precise, a lot can change, so you wanna feel that dough, looking for a dry but elastic and malleable texture.
Right now the dough has to rest for 30 minutes before we can roll it. Guys, I'm going very fast with the pasta making because I'm gonna share a dedicated video, so you make sure you subscribe and activate the notifications and you're not gonna miss it.
Before start rolling, clean everything and switch to semolina flour, which is way better for the final purpose of closing the pasta. If you nail the ratio correctly, you shouldn't need that much strength to roll the dough. Again, I'm gonna go deeper in pasta making in the following videos, but for now just make sure that the dough is not too thin. While with dry pasta like tagliatelle, tagliolini, you can just pick the thickness based on your taste. With filled pasta is a little different. You gotta keep in mind that you have to put a filling in here, which today is a pretty fresh and wet ricotta, so we're gonna need to make it a little thicker than usual. If you're using a pasta machine, use the 3 or 4 thickness option.
So guys, today I did just a couple of eggs just to show you. The majority of the pasta, we actually kind of cheated.
Abbiamo fregato.
So we got it from the store, from the pasta all'uovo. Because if you have that idea, the stereotype of the Italian family is always making fresh pasta, you're wrong. We always go to those pasta all'uovo. Pasta all'uovo is a specific type of store that it's pretty much in everywhere, from Rome to this smallest town, and they make fresh pasta, handmade pasta, just with flour and eggs every morning. So you go there, you buy the pasta, they have those machines and they make it from scratch. It's delicious, so that's kind of what we do in Italy. Probably in our family we make a little bit more pasta if it's Sunday. He doesn't understand English, but we're just acting. Giusto, noi facciamo la pasta, forse la domenica, ma non sempre, di solito si fa la pasta all'uovo.
Sì.
This pasta is from pasta all'uovo. Antonio, the guy from the pasta all'uovo, already made it perfect to make ravioli. So right now
Facciamo il condimento e riempiamo i ravioli.
Luckily, the filling is extremely simple, because this was my first time filming with my brother. We had so much fun, but we were kind of messy and we forgot some footages, like the one prepping the filling. So I'm just gonna say it. Based on the weight of the ricotta, add 10% of Parmigiano, a pinch of salt, mix very well, and that's it.
Una volta amalgamato il tutto, siamo pronti. Possiamo riempire i ravioli.
Riempi un cucchiaio da cucina abbondante. Per ogni raviolo ne servirà circa mezzo. Con l'aiuto di un altro cucchiaio lascialo scivolare sulla sfoglia, assicurandoti di lasciare uno spazio di almeno 2,5 cm l'uno all'altro. Richiudi la sfoglia su se stessa e mettendo la mano in questo modo vai a applicare pressione su ogni lato, cercando di far uscire tutta l'aria. Questa cosa è molto importante perché altrimenti i ravioli potrebbero aprirsi durante la cottura. Una rotella della pasta, andiamo a tagliare i ravioli. Cerca di fare questo movimento. Ora accelero un po', perché oggi abbiamo circa 150 ravioli da fare. Ma restate con noi, che dopo li cuociamo.
alright, perfect, you guys saw my brother's skill. So right now we did all the ravioli. He actually did pretty much everything. We're gonna cook it with 2 different sauces.
Burro e salvia e sugo semplice.
Let's go on the stove. So guys, we have a problem. I told you that we were gonna do 2 sauces, butter and sage and tomato sauce. I forgot to buy butter and sage. So we cannot do that one. We're just gonna do the tomato sauce, but don't worry, because I'm gonna use butter and sage so much in my next videos. So subscribe, you're gonna see that sauce too so many times.
For the sauce, I'll go very quickly because you have a video right here on my profile. Just finely dice celery, onion and carrots and heat it up in a pan with olive oil. Let it fry for about 7-8 minutes and then add the tomato puree. Today we're using this super good tomato puree from Sicily that unfortunately you cannot find in the US. Add a pinch of salt to the sauce if you want some sugar or baking soda and let it cook for about 20 minutes. In the meantime, you can start boiling the water, salt it, and when it's boiling, cook the ravioli for about 7 minutes. It's not that precise because it depends on the thickness of your pasta. Once they're ready, dry them directly in a bowl with tomato sauce and add more on top. Mix carefully because they might break. And then you're ready to serve. Just add some Parmigiano and Basil on top and we're good to go.
So guys, raviolo, the word raviolo actually is for the filling. The filling inside is called raviolo. That means that there are endless possibilities of doing this dish with different fillings. You can make it vegan, you can make it with meat, you can season the ricotta differently. So thank you, my brother. That was the last video. We're gonna film more. Gonna go back to New York next week, and so we're gonna do more. Yoda. So we're gonna do more. So okay, so we're gonna say bye to my brother before ending the video because we lost the focus. And thank you, Raju. As he said, we lost the focus. Thank you, grazie Antonio. Guys, say grazie Antonio. And subscribe to the channel to see more videos on my page. No, va benissimo. Subscribe to the channel because you're gonna see all the ravioli variants that there are and a bunch of recipes from the Italian and Mediterranean tradition to avoid highly processed food and respect a little bit more your health. Ciao.